Before you make any decision on buying FastPages for your landing pages, there are some things you absolutely need to know. In this video, we'll compare it to other landing page tools, giving you a clear picture of whether it's the right fit for your needs. First, FastPages promises fast and easy landing page creation. But does it really live up to the hype? Compared to competitors like Lead Pages and Unbounce, it's a more straightforward tool, which means less time spent learning the platform. However, you might miss out on some of the more advanced features those other tools offer. Next, FastPages doesn't require any coding knowledge, which is perfect for beginners. The drag and drop editor is intuitive, but if you're looking for a more customizable experience or advanced design flexibility, you might find it a bit limiting when compared to other platforms that provide a wider range of templates and design options. The third thing is integration. FastPages works well with most popular email marketing and CRM tools, but when compared to competitors like InstaPage, which offers a more extensive range of integrations, you might find yourself hitting a wall with some niche tools or CRM software. The fourth thing you should know is its speed. As the name suggests, FastPages loads quickly. This can make a difference in your conversion rates compared to slower landing page tools. But other platforms like OptimizePress also emphasize speed, so it's not necessarily a deal breaker, but definitely a strong point. The fifth point is pricing. FastPages has an affordable entry-level plan, but once you start needing additional features, the costs can rise quickly. Competitors like ClickFunnels and Kartra, while more expensive, bundle a lot more functionality into their plans, which could be more cost-effective if you need all-in-one solutions. Next thing, templates. FastPages offers a decent range of templates, but they are more generic compared to those of more established competitors like Thrive Architect, where you can find more niche templates tailored to specific industries and use cases. If you're looking for a template library that's tailored to your needs, FastPages might fall short. The seventh thing you should be aware of is A/B testing. FastPages includes A/B testing on its higher tier plans, but it's pretty basic. If you're looking for more sophisticated testing options, platforms like Unbounce Excel with advanced A/B testing features, including split testing and detailed analytics. The eighth point, ease of use. FastPages is super easy to navigate, even for beginners, but that also means it's not as robust in terms of advanced features, so if you're an experienced marketer, you might feel a bit restricted. Competitors like Lead Pages and Unbounce give you more granular control over your landing pages. The ninth thing is SEO optimization. FastPages includes some basic SEO features, but it doesn't quite match up to competitors like InstaPage or WordPress-based landing pages, which provide more in-depth SEO customization. The 10th point is support. FastPages offers 24/7 customer support, but it doesn't have the same level of dedicated resources as competitors like ClickFunnels, where you get access to more in-depth training materials and a larger community of users. The 11th thing to consider is analytics. FastPages has analytics tools built into the platform, but for deeper insights into your campaigns, other tools like Unbounce or Lead Pages might be more comprehensive with their reporting capabilities. Finally, FastPages is an excellent option if you're looking for simplicity and speed at an affordable price. It's not as feature-rich as some of its competitors, but it gets the job done for users who don't need all the bells and whistles. In conclusion, while FastPages is a solid choice for basic landing page creation, if you want more advanced features, flexibility, and customization, you might want to explore other options. To check out a better solution, take a look at our recommended platform, which you can try for free today.